everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today we're going to talk about how to slow down the coronavirus, alright? So the first thing is to wash your hands for 20 seconds, alright? So I'm going to show you how to. Okay, it's important to wash our hands to get off those germs and wash them for 20 seconds, alright? I'll turn off the water. Alright, I'm done washing my hands. The second thing is to wear a face mask, alright? So this is my new face mask from the Maui. Let's try it on. Looks good. See? You like my new face mask? Looks nice, right? Oh, I do not like to wear face masks. I pull my ears out. Well, I'm still gonna do it because I need to for the coronavirus, alright? And the third thing is to keep your distance 6 feet away from others. Or like my toy. This is too close. Okay, that's better. The final thing is to get your vaccine, 12 years and older, alright? That's good, I'm not 12 yet because I do not like to get vaccines. Okay, everybody, I hope you stay safe, healthy, and free from the coronavirus, alright? Let's love you. Bye.